Hello, this is me again for this third video for January 7, 2023, and it's still working at the construction. Used to have about 2 trucks or something. Now I only got down to 4. One pickup truck and the main truck over there put all the rocks and such. I think they're actually just getting rid of some heavy dirts and such. Right now it's about 11:07 in the morning. Yep. They're still working on it. I didn't expect them to be there today on a Saturday morning. I wish they actually go away. I've been doing this about 5 days since the 2nd day of January. It might be a week now because they've been they've been here for like a week. They're still doing it. Look all the cat dragged in. Oh, one of my neighbors' acquaintance, yep. The guy with the beard. Maybe he should shave off his beard. Yeah. That way he doesn't have to look too old like a wizard. Or maybe like one little elf. Angry elf. Or troll. I'm just a kid. I'm just kidding with you. Roma's Pizza Truck passing, yeah. Good pizza place around the neighborhood. I like the other one too over in Minersville, I can't remember the name. I think it's Prantnell's, something like that. I can't pronounce it right. And another truck again. Don't be surprised if I'm not there. They might be chopping down the tree or something. I think I might have to charge this camera because it needs some charging. There's my neighbor again. I think they're going to bring it to, I don't know, a party or something. To someone's house. An old guy getting out of the truck. Now it's getting like a little bit less crowded with no more dirts and such. There used to be a house over there a long time ago too. It was teared down in 2012 or something. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this third video for January 7, 2023. I'll see you maybe next time if I'm around. Comment, subscribe, to ring the bell on these other videos. Goodbye, folks, and see you next time. Bye.